Right, here's another Honda XL 350. Probably a lot of my viewers might remember the smoky one that I eventually sorted. This one I just had the engine here for recently to tend to what turned out to be a blown head gasket. I didn't have the whole bike, but now I've got the whole bike. And the reason for it is it's bogging down when you try and accelerate. So I've got to try and work on that. I've already had a look, had the top of the carburettor off and had the throttle slide out, which was great fun to make sure that the needle was in a suitable position, and it is. It's in its middle groove. So this ride is just going to be a short one, just to demonstrate what it's like now, and then hopefully I'll work through it and hopefully find a solution and get it running better. So this is just what it's like now, and we won't have to be going very far to sort of demonstrate what it's like, but it'll be a good point of reference to sort of use as a yardstick for any potential progress that I might make. It also, I have been up and down the lane on it already, and the owner's obviously ridden it. He fitted these tyres, and it drifts quite a bit and feels a little unnerving on corners. Probably great on the dirt. Anyway, let's see if we can have a short ride on it and get to see what it's like at present. Or not. Right.
handling on it is diabolical. It feels like it's got a puncture. I think we've gone far enough based on both the handling and the spluttering. So we'll go home now and try and put at least one of them right.
that was anything but enjoyable on both the misfiring and the handling fronts, but it confirms one thing: it's time to break out the spanners and have a look and see if I can get to the bottom of this. So I think I'm going to start by having a little look in at the points and get the float bowl off the carburettor and have a look at the jets, and also have the spark plug out, take a look at that of course, and see if any of those things offer any clues.